This morning, my brain, my mind, Charlie, my conscious mind, decided to wake up at 4:30 and just would not stop the loop, the hamster wheel thoughts. And I decided to go on my walk anyway, even though sleep is what I really wanted to do. Sleep more. The crystal that started calling to me as I was getting ready is this beautiful Red Hematoid Quartz point that I found, or it found me, during the January 2026 El Paso, Texas Gem and Mineral Show. And I have several Red Hematoid quartz. I have palm stones, I have obelisks, I even have a sphere. They're all different. Most of them are from Madagascar. Some are from Morocco. This one is from, if I remember correctly, New Mexico. Anyway, right after I put this beauty right next to my keys and Bethany, my phone, I had this download or this guidance to just look at my agenda for the next few days and simply refine it, just change it up, adjust it. I immediately felt calmer because that already helped to stop the hamster wheel thoughts going around and around. I'm now behind. I didn't get done what I wanted to do yesterday. Everything is shoved forward, blah, 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 blah. That's what our conscious mind does. At least that's what mine does. So I go out on my walk, and I'm still there, and this beautiful sage bush just called to me to share this with you now. Within 10 minutes, I already felt calmer, and I feel so much more peaceful now, and we're about 45 minutes into the walk. So what happens, Red Hematoid Quartz, it's made of quartz with hematoid or hematite, which is grounding and gives it this beautiful, rich red color. So we have grounding, and just maybe 5 minutes ago, Angel Yabasha El, angel of the earth element, came in and helped me finish grounding even more. Grounding isn't just about releasing negativity or anxiety. It's also about clearing the mind, little bugs, clearing the mind so that you have some clarity and you can just breathe. Breathe through the day knowing you are exactly where you are supposed to be, even when you want to be farther ahead. So, just holding this, and I will probably have it with me the rest of the day. I may or may not go to the coffee shop where I can just really zone out or zone in and focus on what it is that I want and need to do. When you are focusing on everything you haven't done or everything you need to do, it's no wonder that your guides can't get through to you, nor can you hear the guidance, see, sense, or feel the messages that are being given to you all the time. Grounding, in this instance, and call in Angel Yabasha El to help you clear your mind, be in your root chakra enough so that you can then open your crown chakra, your heart, and your throat to communicate with yourself, communicate with your guides, and do what needs to be done, what you want to do in the moment. Visit my crystal shop, Angel Lady Crystals Boutique. The description has the link in it. And I'll see you again very soon.